Public transport is part of everyone's lives, and with the LTA Scholarship, I get a chance to shape that journey. My journey has taken me from light rail transit to digital systems, each role adding a new piece to the transport puzzle. At Rolling Stock, we turn engineering into trains that run safely and effectively. Being involved in the launch of a new fleet with smart technologies feels surreal, knowing our innovations will transform daily commutes.
Over the years, I've seen how innovation can make a real difference. My path is constantly evolving through train engineering, signaling, policy, and now digital transformation. We've worked on cutting-edge projects involving robotics, big data, and AI for real health and condition monitoring. Huge changes with a big impact.
The LTA Scholarship gave me opportunities for growth, from overseas training that broadens my horizons to cross-functional rotations, and the chance to lead pioneering projects that impact millions of lives daily.
I lead a team of young engineers who drive digital innovation to help us manage our railway systems. It's inspiring to see their fresh perspectives and challenge us to rethink our processes. Our team dedication keeps us going, building bonds that transcends the job.
If you want a career that engineers tomorrow's transport solutions,
Start with the LTA Scholarship.